So what's this test tube for?
I
don't think you want to go inside. I feel like that's how
Why
Jeff
not,
tricks
dude?
you every single time.
Wait. Yeah.
You
I
will
won't fall for
see.
it this time. I won't fall for it.
We ready? Yay! Hey! Oh my God! Cyclops! Oh my God! Cyclops!
Moose?
What are you? Hey, buddy.
Hi. I'm a dragon.
Is that Lucy in disguise? I don't think that's Lucy. Lucy's a little bit crazier than that. Now, that is not a trap at all. It's just a tube. And it worked again. That is flawless. Awesome. So let's take a bunch of random things like dolls. Oh, yo, bookshelves. Knowledge. He needs knowledge. He needs more knowledge. Here we go. Ready? Put this right over here. Perfecto. And the button. 3, 2, 1, let go. Yeah! So, do you have any recollection of what just happened?
Why is it different now? What just happened? Huh?
You don't want to know. It's a long story. It's a long story. But welcome to the day of daycare. Oh man, ladies and gentlemen, I am so excited, bro. Today I woke up. I got my moose milk. I got my breakfast. I put on my pants. I put on my socks, my shoes, my crazy looking, I guess, helmet and shirt. And I was ready for daycare right off the bat, man. I didn't even oversleep, bro, because I'm excited. It's been is that a roller coaster? I don't know, but it's been a long time. Oh, stop! Watch out! Hi, Skylar. How you doing? Dude, I was just telling the fans that I'm super excited for daycare, man. We missed the day we had a day break, but I'm super excited to be back again because daycare is only getting crazier. Yay! Oh, where'd you go? Hi. Oh, hey, where's Jeff at? Jeff! Yay! Jeff, where are you, buddy? Ooh. Awesome. Hello! Oh! Is that... Wait a minute. Is that Jeff in a police officer costume? Officer Jeff? Wait a minute. Is it Halloween already? My name is Officer Jeff Toretto. What is that? What are you? Toretto? What are you? Jeff, we can clearly tell from Furious of the Fast. Jeff, we can clearly tell you're wearing a police outfit. Jeff says, when did you become a cop? Huh? You had some telling us to do, man. We were gone for a whole day, and you're now a police officer? I'm an officer of the law. Jeff, you work at a daycare and own your own laboratory, and you don't even have an IQ at all. You don't even know what you're doing 9% of the time. Part time. Hey. This is definitely illegal. Yeah, you're pretty much like not even real, dude. Is that a costume? Let me see this. Hold on. It's a Halloween costume. Listen, you ain't no lawyer, lady. Oh, okay. All right. So, Jeff, what are we doing, man? What are we doing in daycare today, bro? I see the tag on it, though. Now I'm here for one reason. Yeah, to be the daycare teacher. Duh. Come on, bro. And one reason only. For $5.99. Come on, Jeff. Can't we just get on with daycare? What kind of prank are you trying to pull on us today, bro? Like, seriously, man, I want to do crazy things. I want to, like, go jump for the roof and land in a water pool and then eat a bunch of breakfast and ask you about, hey, my name is a brick of moose, and I want some steak with some I mean, you did do some crimes. Crimes for what? This is Minecraft. I can do whatever I want. Yeah. MooseCraft, James, Loser, Julia, Toledo, Annoying George. You have a warrant for your arrest. Like a lot of explosions. But that's like in every single movie out there. Hey, you can't arrest me for no reason. First of all, my name is just Moose or George. You know, it's pretty simple right there. So, did you not hear me? I heard you loud and clear, and you cannot arrest me because that's a fake police outfit, and you cannot detain me at all. I said warrant. Not this. For arrest. You don't have no warrant for arrest. Where is it? Let me see the paper that says it. That's right. Let me see it. Oh, that's right. Your $5.99 tag on your police outfit ain't gonna help, bro. What's that? Where's the warrant? Yeah, let me see the warrant. Let me read it. Huh? Let me read it. What? What now? Yeah, that's what I thought. You got no warrant. This dude over here. Look at this dude trying to act like he's got a warrant. That's written with crayon. I will read you your rights. You don't gotta read me nothing. I'm going to prison no matter what. It's fun there. Alright, let's go to prison. Yay! Prison is so boring, man. Come on. First of all, Skylar, why are you even in prison? Okay, like what's going on? I know. Why are you even here? I'm the one that got arrested. I mean, I could have ran away, but like, listen, man, like you never avoid the law, bro. Hoopah! Hello? Anyone out there? I can't say. What'd you do, Skylar? Is it my Moosey? That's probably what it is. You know what? How about this? How about this? I got an idea. Here, give me a push. Give me a push. Ready? Hit. Hey, what's up? Hey, Jeff, what's up, buddy? Jeff, I don't like this new you. Don't try it. Jeff, I don't like this new officer of you. Hey! Chill. I don't like you being a cop, bro. It's not cool, man. Stay back. Jeff, first of all, you work in Moose Mods and the daycare. You can't work 3 jobs, bro. What are you even doing, man? Like, seriously, we're trying to cheat with that. 3 jobs, man. This man over here, bro, trying to make some crazy young mullah cash money or something, bro. What is this, man? I work everywhere, every day. That's true. Exactly, man. That's what I'm saying. Like, what does he need 3 jobs for? Jeff, let us out of prison, man. We did nothing wrong at all. Except cause a bunch of problems, $1 million in repairs, and yada, yada, yada. Cause you want it. Okay, whatever, Jeff, whatever. Let us out. I have some terms. Oh, yeah, exactly. I will let you out for some breakfast, but that's all. Yeah, I love breakfast. Is it time for breakfast already? I mean, it's nighttime outside. I'll make it breakfast time. Jeff, look outside. It's breakfast time. You got all this out now. Come on. Let me out of prison. Nice. Come on, Jeff. Let me out. Jeff, come on. Nice. I was gonna give you my money. I gotta take a nap first, but never mind. I already took your money, Moosina. That's Skylar, but I guess you can say that. What? Oh, that's right. You got her mad now. She's really mad, bro. Ow! What? Oh, is he taking a? Skylar, you had one job and you walked in front of me, breaking the iron bars while he was sleeping. Gee, hey! You're making this worse for yourself. You know what? You're staying here. You stay right there. You have no chance to escape now. All right, perfect. It's your rage. Hey! Ow! Breakfast time. Why you can't hurt your prisoner, man? Get me out. Get me out of here. Yay! All right, let's go. Hey! Jeff, chill! Bro. Oh my god, now you made me lose all my items. Give back. You made me lose all my items, you nub. If you die, you lose all your items, bro. This dude over here. This dude. Don't take that lever. Come on. Jeff, bring it back. Oh my god, this guy does not even realize. You made me lose all my moose looking stuff. Yeah. Okay, where we go? Where we go now? Nice. So where we going? Huh? Ew. Blech. I don't want it. I don't want that. Breakfast time! Yeah, I want some breakfast with some steak and also a lever to escape the place. I also want some potatoes with some peanut butter and jelly on my face and some moose milk. Sit here. Sit where? Am I sitting? Here? Okay, fine. That's it. You okay over there? You're like making weird noises, Skylar. Food time! Yay! What do you got for food, bro? What do you got for food? Come on, Jeff. What do you got? Hey! Let me see your food. Hey! Chill, bro. We gotta survive in here, okay? Must eat or no more breakfast ever. What's that? What is this? This is disgusting. It's milk jugs. It ain't moose milk, man. Moose milk's a whole other difference from milk. Right? Eat it. I don't need to eat this garbage. I'm out of here. These people up here trying to take down your boy Moose. Nah, I'm going to the shower room. Yeah. Taking a shower. Yay! Up. Okay, now I'm out of here. All right, I don't want any part of that. Nope. This dude. No. Why are you in prison? You don't even belong here. What are you doing? Thinks he's a fish. I'm a part fish. Okay? Alright, time to go back to sleep. I feel like this is her intention of being stuck in a cell with me forever. And it's like one step closer for her to become my girlfriend. But I don't want any part of that. Moosey ain't coming back, okay? That's amazing. And I mean, low-key, if you never came back to daycare, it would be very peaceful, just saying. Alright, Savage Moose. I got him. Alright, I'm out of here, bro. Plan B. Jeff, I'm gonna go use the bathroom, buddy. I kind of feel a little bit sick, bro. Alright, bro. I'm just gonna use the bathroom. Where'd you go? I didn't go anywhere. I'm just super duper sick, man. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna puke. Oh, man. Me. Oh, no. Oh, I'm out of here. Yeah. It's your boy Moose, using Moose Milk to his advantage, because Moose Milk #1. They ain't never gonna find me out here, bro. Your boy Moose innovating. No! Skylar, listen, it's not you. Actually, it's completely you, honestly. I'm staying. I'm gonna leave both of you. Ah! Where'd he go? Oh, how did she escape? What? How do you... Oh, my God. And here she comes. Okay. Where'd he go? Jeff, I'm nowhere, but everywhere. All right, here we go. Warning. Broken lift. Looks like you'll have to climb. I'm coming for you. No. You stay there, Skylar. I don't want any part of this. How can I find a better way to escape out of here? Let's try this. Whoop. Okay. This is working. I call this the Moose Milk Building, all right? The Moose Milk Building. Boom. Let's try this out. Whoop. Yes, it's working. Yes. Whoa. Got it. Boom. Yes. Perfect. Now I can finally get out of here. All right, come on. And it's like a dropper map. Ah! Back fist. All right, perfect. Now all I gotta do is one of these right here, and right there. Come on, and right here. I can't place in water though. Just worked. Bro, Moose Milk's amazing, bro. It can help you with anything, any of your problems too. Oh, it's working. Ah! Hey, stop! Hey! Are you kidding me? What? We can get out of prison together. All right? You know, we can forever be together, Skylar. Ugh. You know what? What, huh? What is it? Ah! What was that? Bro! Die! She's crazy! She's actually crazy! No! I'm out of here! No! Yay! No! That's it. I've had enough of you, Skylar. I'm out of here. You both are crazy! Ah! You both are absolutely crazy. I'm done with you. I'm done with Jeff. I'm done with everybody, man. I'll end this right here. You can't stop at MooseCraft. You can't stop at MooseCraft. Bye! I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new Daycare video. Subscribe and hit the bell. Bye!